Traditionally, gender differences in the tendency to negotiate pay were thought to explain the pay gap between men and women. Women tend to negotiate less, which explained their lower pay. But do these tendencies still exist? And how do negotiation stereotypes still hurt women's pay? Before the 21st century, women did negotiate their work pay less than men. But by studying several groups of women from top business schools, researchers found that in the last 20 years, women have been negotiating pay now potentially more often than men. Recent studies show that a gender pay gap still exists, with women earning on average 15% less than their male counterparts of similar education and position. And even for women with MBAs, this gap increases as women and men move up the corporate ladder. But contrary to previous research, the pay gap cannot be explained by a lack of negotiation on the part of women, as women have increased their salary negotiation propensity to a greater extent over time. In fact, even among an elite population of MBAs experiencing pay gaps, women again were more likely to attempt to negotiate their job offers than men. By perpetuating false stereotypes about women's propensity to negotiate, women may be missing out on cultural and legislative assistance that could help them close pay gaps. While women seem to be negotiating even more than men, they are still not being paid equally. Wonder how negotiating pay factors into the current gender pay gap issue? If so, you may want to read this paper.